Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question. It's the same as the previous question, except we are changing the gauge pressure to 41 kPa. And we want to find the height of mercury once again. So the FBD, we've got a container with a gauge of 41 kPa. They give us the dimensions, which is the same from previous, 31 centimeters and 76 centimeters for water and oil respectively. They give us the specific gravity for oil and mercury, once again 0.72 for oil and 13.6 for mercury. We're trying to find the height of mercury. Step 2, list all the given values and unknowns. It's the same as previous. The only thing that's different is P1. P1 is 41 kPa. So P1 is the absolute pressure. However, when we do the derivation of the formula, which is also the same, we will find out it's actually gauge pressure. Alright, so starting from the FBD, from the container, we go down. So down is positive, and then subtracting is when we go up. So it's the opposite. So down is positive, up is negative. Alright, so that's the first derivation. From there we move the atmospheric to the left hand side, and we move all the gauge pressures on the right hand side. So it becomes this. Then we substitute the gauge pressures with the specific gravity, and then we note that absolute pressure minus atmospheric pressure is gauge pressure. So it becomes gauge pressure. Now we want to get rid of the density of water and gravity, so we can isolate the height of water. We do this so we only have one variable for the height of mercury. And so we just divide both sides with density of water and gravity. Alright, so step 4, once again, we just plug and play. The only difference is 41 kPa. Initially, in the previous question, it was 81, so you can expect that this answer is going to be half the original answer. So the height of mercury is 0.2899 meters. And it is just a plug and play, but we'll go through the equation as well. So gauge pressure is 41 kPa. We've got density of water and gravity on the division. We've got our conversion factor just to get our units into meters. We've got our specific gravity of oil and the height of oil, specific gravity of mercury, and height of mercury is what we're trying to find, and we got the height of water over here. Disclaimers: the method is correct, however I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things just happen. If you never used snipping tool before, you can follow these steps. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent. So click on the snipping tool icon on your taskbar. If it's not in your taskbar, type in Windows search snipping tool, and then click on the icon from there. Once you have it open, click on video option, then click on new. Left click, drag your rectangle, cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Then from the snipping tool, hit the start button, wait for the countdown, Then on YouTube, hit the replay button, let the video finish. Hit the red square to stop recording, then save your video. Like and subscribe, share with your friends, because this is a made up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. Leave a comment below if you found a mistake, or if you got questions or comments. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.